Hi, this is Dansoy. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make a different version of the California burger. We're going to add avocado, mayonnaise, some relish, some kosher slices, and we're going to add Sir Kensington's ketchup. So I got the rolls there, the beef, American cheese, I have romaine lettuce, I have relish, avocado mayonnaise, kosher slices, the ketchup, and the Roma tomato. So this is basically a California burger, but we're going to just modify it. It's quick and easy. So we're just going to put that in the pan, the beef, and fry it up. And then add the cheese. I won't bore you like with just cooking beef and everything. I'll do it quick and then we'll slap it all together. So you'll put the patties in the pan and you'll cook them to the temperature and your choice what type of meat that you like. Then after they're cooked, you're just going to add the cheese and let that melt. Sorry, my timing is off of words today. It's one of those days. God bless, be safe. I will be back in a minute or so. Welcome back, YouTube and Facebook. So I cooked the patty. You can see the cheese is nice and melted. There's the buns. So basically we're going to just use all the stuff like the condiments that we're going to add. We got the lettuce, and like I said, the mayonnaise, pickles, relish, ketchup, and Roma tomato. But they came out really good, and the cheese is really melted into the bun. So we just have to top them, and we're ready to eat. So we're just going to add the avocado mayonnaise. This is like really good stuff. Put on as much as you want. Me, I love a lot of mayonnaise. Next, we're going to put the relish on. So we're back. Now we're going to the relish. And like I said, just put on the amount that you want. Like all my recipes are basically tailored to you. Just add a little bit or more or in between. So we got the relish on there. Next, we'll actually add the ketchup. So we're going to take the ketchup, and it's Sir Kensington. It's really good ketchup. So you're going to add it to both hamburgers. But you can't go wrong with this ketchup. I'm not sure if you can get it outside the USA or Canada, but it's really good. It's Sir Kensington. They make mayonnaise and mustard. Both of them are really good. So there's our burger so far. We tore up a lot of the ingredients. So now we're going to add the pickles. And we got the burgers there. They're looking really good. So we just killed that off. And we're just going to add the lettuce and Roma tomato, and we're done. So we got the lettuce on there. It's like a beautiful summer day here, even though it's spring, but the sun is out and it's so colorful. It's bouncing off the walls and everything. It's so homey. But yeah, we got the burgers, and now we're just going to add the Roma tomato, and we're done. So we got the tomato on there and the lettuce. Actually, now I'm just going to add Sir Kensington mayonnaise. This is like a lemon sunflower mayonnaise, and you don't have to, but it'll really go good on top of the tomatoes. So you're just going to put like that mayonnaise on both of them. So we're actually back again. We got that Sir Kensington mayonnaise on there, and we're almost ready to go. This thing is looking so good. I can't wait to eat. I'm so hungry. I apologize for the speaking skills before and the videotaping. Just off a little bit today, but this is live recording. Don't want to edit anything. I want to keep it real because we're in this journey together. We're learning, and I'm making new meals. And I learn every day with you as well. So we just need to put the buns on there, and then we're set. So we have the cheese covered buns. You can see that. And they're looking good. So right there, you got 2 California burgers, and they're modified. We don't have a name. If anyone thinks of a name, put it in comments, and then I'll pick the best name, and then I'll name it. But it's basically a California burger, and it's basically a California burger, and we just modified it to our liking. Now we just got to cut and eat. So we're back, the final touches. There's our hamburger. It's looking real good. So that's our modified California cheeseburger. Thanks for visiting my channel. Thanks for taking this journey with me. You can make this recipe any way you want, any of the other recipes I do. And God bless. Dansoy out.